Have you ever been playing on a FiveM server and all of a sudden you crash and the only crash code that you can get is hot spaghetti? Yeah, me neither. Just kidding. I'm going to show you how to fix it. So, clear your cache. That's it. Bye. Next video. Just kidding. I'm not going to leave you guys hanging like that. So the way to fix hot spaghetti is you go down here to search. You can also right click on this. Sometimes it will bring up the open in whatever file location, whatever it is. Some people don't have that. Mine's not set to do that. So what I do is I come in here and I go percentage, capital A, PP, capital D, A, T, A, percentage, hoping. I'm going to bring it over here because File Explorer is on a different thing. So local disk users, whatever your username is set to, app data local, you're going to scroll down, you're going to find FiveM. You're going to go into FiveM app data. You're going to go into data. And then it says cache. Yours may be ordered differently, but anything with the word cache, get rid of it. Hit delete. I'm not going to do it because I literally cleared my cache today already. So, yeah, server cache priv, server cache. Delete them. Get rid of them. Now, it's going to suck because there's a lot of shit you got to load in on our server and on every other server. But this is the only way to do it. So, if you do get hot spaghetti, don't just get back on server. It's going to happen again. Go into your server, FiveM application data, FiveM application data, and anything with the word crash in the data folder, get rid of it. Go in, cache everything back in. You should already be doing this at least once a month, especially if you play on multiple servers. Just because you have so much overlapping bullshit. So yeah, just go in, get rid of it, get on server, cache everything in before the next time you get on to play. You may crash during that. That's okay. It just happens that way. Get on, go, cache everything in, and then go have fun on server. Hope this helped for giving you the fix to the hot spaghetti. If you guys have any questions, you can always shoot me a DM or hit it in the Ask an Admin channel on our Discord or in the comment section of this video. I will probably answer in one of those places. Anyways, I hope this helped, guys. Have a great